This is exercise 3.3, question number 3 and fourth sub question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. For a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the charges, fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? Look at this one, fixed charges and charges per kilometer. We need to find out how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km. Two things we need to find out. We don't know the fixed charge and charge per kilometer. So here let us consider, let fixed charge be rupees X and charge per kilometer be rupees Y. Right? Now look at the condition here. According to the condition I write down, according to the, let me write it properly, according to the first condition. First condition is what? For 10 kilometer distance, the person has paid 105 rupees. So this is X is the fixed charge, plus for 10 kilometer the charge is 10 Y and the total money paid is 105. Correct? So this one I will write as X, which is equal to 105 minus 10Y, and I will name it as equation 1. Now look at the second condition here. So once again I'll write down according to the second condition. Now in the second condition they are saying for the journey of 15 km he has paid 155 rupees. So this is the fixed charge for 15 km 15Y. This is the charge which is equal to total money paid is rupees 155. So this is 155 and I will name it as equation 2. Correct? Now see, equation 1 X equal to, we have written this one. Now I'll substitute this value at this place. So here I'll write down substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Okay? Here, this way. So here 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y, which is equal to 155. In place of X, I have substituted this value. Right? See now. Now here, this minus 10Y and plus 15Y. Answer is what? Plus 5Y, which is equal to 155 minus 105, which comes as 50. This 5 will come down to divide. So Y, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 tens are Y, which is equal to 10. Correct? Now this value of Y, I will substitute in equation 1. So here, substitute Y equal to 10 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? X, which is equal to what here? 105 minus 10Y. So 10 into 10 here. So 105 minus 100 here, we got 5. So we got the fixed charge and charge per kilometer. Right? Now, I can write down here, therefore, fixed charge is equal to rupees 5. And here, charge per kilometer, which is equal to rupees 10. Okay. Now for 25 kilometer, what we'll write down here? Fixed charge is X and for 25 kilometer, 25Y. This is the charge. And total value of X is what? 5. 25Y. Y means what? 10. So here 5 plus 250. Right? So which comes as 255. So here, therefore, he paid rupees 255 for 25 kilometer distance. right? Now come to the next one. Here, fifth one. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. As they are talking about the fraction, it means that fraction has the numerator as well as the denominator, which we don't know. So let us consider here, let numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore, fraction which is equal to numerator by denominator, x by y. Now look at the condition here. According to the condition here, according to the condition, now what condition is saying? If we add 2 in the numerator as well as 2 in the denominator, so x plus 2 by y plus 2, our fraction becomes 9 by 11. See here. Now I will do the cross multiplication. Correct. So here 11 in the bracket x plus 2, which is equal to 9 in the bracket y plus 2. So here 11x plus 22, which is equal to 9y plus 18. Now this 11x I will keep it here, which is equal to 9y plus 18 minus 22. So x which is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. This 11 I have sent to the RHS and I will name it as equation 1. Now look at the second condition here. I'll write down according to the second condition. According to the second condition, what they are saying? If we add 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, our fraction becomes 5 by 6. Now once again I will do the cross multiplication. 6x plus 3, which is equal to 5 y plus 3 here, and then I will multiply it. 6x plus 18, which is equal to 5y plus 15. So 6x, I will bring 5y this side and 18 that side. So 15 minus 18 is minus 3. This is our second equation. Now what I will do, I want to use the substitution method. So I will substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So here substitute equation 1 in equation 2. See here, now what happens here? Here 6, value of x is what? 9y minus 4 divided by 11. Okay, complete the bracket. Minus 5y, which is equal to minus 3. I'll multiply this bracket with 6. So 6 and 9 are 54y minus 24 divided by 11. See here, 11 minus 5y by 1, which is equal to minus 3. Now I will do the LCM. 54y minus 24 minus 55y divided by 11, right? This 11 is here, which is equal to minus 3. See, this 54y and minus 55y, it is minus y, correct? Now minus 24 as it is, which is equal to minus 3 into 11, minus 3 into 11, which comes as minus 33. This minus 24 will go this side, plus 24 and minus y as it is. Be careful about the negative signs. So here, therefore, minus y, which is equal to here, we get as 6 and 3, 9, minus 9. Negative sign cancelled. Now this value of y will substitute in equation 1, right? So equation 1, what it says, x is equal to 9y. So in place of y, I substituted 9 minus 4 divided by 11. See what happens now? 9 9s are 81 minus 4 by 11. So which comes as 77 by 11. 11 1s are 11 7s are. We got the value of x. So x which is equal to 7. Therefore finally fraction which is equal to x by y means 7 by 9. Correct? This is the required fraction. Let us see the sixth one. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So they are talking about Jacob and his son, and we don't know their present ages. Correct? So here I'll write down let here Jacob and his son. Here son. We don't know their present ages, so I'll write down present age. Then they said after 5 years. So here after 5 years and 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Okay. Now present age of Jacob is x years and his son is y years. We are just considering this one. Okay. Now after 5 years, Jacob's age will become x plus 5 and his son's age will become y plus 5. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was x minus 5 and his son was y minus 5. We have written this basic information. Then we'll write down according to the first condition. According to the first condition. What is that first condition? What they are saying? After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So here, after 5 years, these are the ages. So age of Jacob is what? X plus 5, which is equal to 3 times that of his son. So y plus 5. So they are talking about the condition after 5 years. Right? So you are going to consider these ages. And then I will write down here x plus 5, which is equal to 3y plus 15 here. So x, which is equal to what? 3y plus 15 and minus 5. So it becomes what? Plus 10. And I will name it as this equation 1. Okay. Now look at the second condition here. I'll write down according to the second condition. Here, second condition. They said 5 years ago, Jacob's age was, so x minus 5, which is equal to 7 times that of his son. So here y minus 5. So x minus 5, which is equal to 7y minus 35. So this 7y, I'll bring it here. X minus 7y, which is equal to minus 35 plus 5. Okay. Now see here. So this is x minus 7y, which is equal to minus 30, and I will name it as equation 2. Here equation 1, we have the value x equal to. Equation 2, we are having a proper equation. I'll substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Correct? At this place, I'll substitute the value of equation 1. So here I'll just write down substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Correct? At place of x, I will substitute the value now. What is that value here? 3y plus 10 minus 7y as it is. Minus 7y, which is equal to minus 30. Okay. Now here 3y and minus 7y. It is minus 4y. This plus 10 I will send that side. So minus 30 minus 10, which is equal to minus 40 divided by minus 4. This minus 4 will go the right side. Okay. So it will divide the number. 4 ones are 4 tens are negative cancelled. Therefore y, which is equal to 10. Now once again this value of y we will substitute in equation 1. Okay. Now see here. Equation 1 is what? X, which is equal to 3y. Y is 10 plus 10. So it is 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. Correct? So here I got the value of x, I got the value of y. Finally, what I'll write down? Therefore, Jacob's present age age is equal to 40 years and his son is equal to 10 years. Right? I hope all of you understood these three sums. Thank you.